Title: Communicating with Clarity and Impact. Host: Good morning/afternoon, everyone. Let's begin with a scenario. You're in a meeting and someone explains an idea that could be great, but you're not entirely sure what they meant. Has that ever happened to you? Communication is the backbone of all our interactions. Yet lack of clarity can create misunderstandings, inefficiencies, and missed opportunities. Today, we're focusing on how to communicate with clarity and impact, ensuring your message is not only heard but understood. 1. Begin with the end in mind. Host: Effective communication starts with knowing your goal. Before speaking or writing, ask yourself, what do I want the listener to know, feel, or do after this conversation? Scenario: Imagine you're presenting a new project proposal. Instead of diving into technical details, start with the big picture. Our goal is to increase efficiency by 20% this quarter, and this project will help us get there. Here's how. By starting with the goal, you anchor your message and keep the audience focused. 2. Simplify your message, adding more scenarios and activities. Scenario: Translating technical jargon for non-experts. Host: Imagine you're speaking to a group of non-technical stakeholders about a technical project. Your goal is to make the information digestible and relatable. Example: Instead of saying, "Our API uses RESTful architecture to enable seamless integration," try, "Our system allows different applications to talk to each other smoothly, like a translator between languages." This approach ensures that everyone in the room feels included and understands the core value of your message. Activity: Decode the message. Host: Let's try another interactive exercise called Decode the Message. Instructions: 1. Write down a complex or technical statement from your area of expertise. 2. Pass your statement to a partner. 3. Your partner will translate it into a simpler, more accessible version. Example: Original: The new software leverages machine learning to enhance predictive analytics. Simplified: The software learns from data to make better predictions about the future. Take 2 to 3 minutes to write and exchange your statements. Then we'll discuss. Pause for the activity. Building emotional impact in communication. Host: Clarity is crucial, but don't forget the emotional impact of your words. People remember how you made them feel as much as what you said. Let's explore ways to add warmth and authenticity to your message. Strategies: 1. Use personal stories to illustrate your points. 2. Maintain eye contact and an open posture when speaking. 3. Show genuine interest in the listener's perspective by asking thoughtful questions. Scenario: When presenting a new initiative to your team, instead of starting with data, you could say, "I remember when we first tackled a challenge like this, and how everyone came together to find a solution. This project gives us another chance to shine." This approach inspires connection and motivates action. Final reflection and challenge. Host: As we conclude, think about how you can combine clarity with emotional resonance. Before your next big communication task, take a moment to consider. 1. Am I speaking in a way that everyone can understand? 2. Am I connecting with my audience on an emotional level? 3. What story, example, or visual can I use to leave a lasting impression? Communication isn't just about exchanging information. It's about creating shared understanding and inspiring action. Thank you for participating today. Let's go out and make every word count.